And then all that information goes into the brain, which is the main computer. So this is what you'll hook up to the computers in the computer lab and program, and it'll tell the robot what to do based on what you tell it and what all the sensors tell it to do. Go ahead.
So how long would this take just to put it together and program it and stuff?
It depends. So kind of the structure of the apprenticeship is the first 4 or 5 weeks. We'll build a couple different robots. We'll build one that basically just has some wheels, and then we'll start adding on sensors and tell it to do different things and teach you how to do all the programming stuff. And then the last 4 or 5 weeks, everybody, probably in teams of 2 or 3, you'll pick a project, and then you'll work on that project for the rest of the time, and then present that at the WOW. Go ahead.
Will we be building our own robots?
Probably groups. So when we first start out, it'll probably be groups of 3 or 4, and then when we break you into your team projects, it'll probably be groups of 2 or 3. Go ahead.
I have a question that doesn't really go with what we're talking about right now,
All
but
right.
like, did y'all build that, or did like y'all just buy that from somewhere apart?
These parts,
Yes.
they come in this kit.
Yeah, Lego made
we
those.
bought
We didn't
those?
make those from scratch.
Yeah, we didn't build those. So there's a bunch of other Lego pieces in there, and that's what you hook into it to build the
So
robots.
like, can you buy that from the store?
Yeah, you can get it from like Target or Walmart. The whole kit costs like $300 or something like that.
Yeah,
So another question we get in all the classes is, no, you don't get to keep your robot when you're done with it, because we need to have them so we can do it in future semesters. So moving forward, so this is the software that you'll program in. So you don't have to write code or anything, it's all these blocks. So you drag out blocks from here, and then you can change little numbers in them to do different things. This one, it's a microphone, so it listens for a sound, and when it hears the sound, it drives forward. And then we can chain together more on there. So this one hears a sound, drives forward, here's another sound, stops. So like a clap on, clap off type thing. And then we build on that. Instead of cutting and pasting more blocks at the end, we can do a loop. So this tells the robot how many times to do the operations in here. So we'll do an example of that in a little bit, and then go ahead. Other thing we can do are these conditional if this, then that statements. So that way it can make simple decisions like, if I see the color blue, turn right. If I see the color red, turn left. That kind of thing. Go ahead.
I know, I got this from Jim Neutron. Will the robots like take over and have their own minds, or
Only if you tell it to, which would be pretty hard, so I think we're safe. And they're little Legos, so you know, there's only so much.
These ones aren't taking over anything.
Yeah.
I promise.
They might run into your foot or something, but you know, that's why we wear shoes. So, let's give it. So right now, Mr. Shapiro is going to be the robot. Who wants to be the programmer? Who hasn't talked yet?
Jordan?
Jordan? Okay, Jordan. You're going to tell him to walk in a square. But the only commands he knows how to listen to are take 1 step forward, 1 step backwards, turn left, and turn right. Okay? And you want to tell him how to walk in a square. So go ahead.
Turn left, turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right. Walk forward and walk backward.
So instead of walking in a square, somebody else want to try? Or you?
turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right.
We want him to walk in the square.
So go.
Close. So we need some movement in there. We'll try one more. Go ahead. What's your name? What was your name? Naisha. Okay. Take me away. Turn right.
Walk forward. Walk forward. Turn left. Walk forward. Turn left. Walk forward.
We got fancy.
Yeah, they're a little bit around.
Oh, I thought she was
Round
gonna
of
say.
applause.
Turn around, man.
So walking in a square, it'd be easy to just tell